Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the tools and targets ready. Install Google Earth Pro or open Google Earth Studio and enable 3D buildings and terrain so geometry renders correctly. Once done, import or create KML/KMZ placemarks for each stop. This gives you precise key points to animate between. Now set your initial camera. Choose altitude, tilt, and field of view. For example, 200 meters and a 45 degrees tilt, to frame the first scene tightly before you record or add keyframes. Next, you build the motion. Place sequential keyframes at each placemark or GPS coordinate and dial in heading, tilt, and altitude so each shot composes well. Make sure to adjust speed and easing. Slow in and slow out create natural acceleration and deceleration, which helps viewers follow motion. Preview the full path in real time and iterate. Tweak timing for busy urban scenes or longer glides over landscapes, and lock any stable shots so they don't shift during export. Finally, export the animation at your target resolution and codec. Choose 1080p or 4K with a high bitrate for clean edges on 3D buildings. Then import the rendered clip into your editor to add narration, music, color correction, and titles. This is where you polish pacing and audio levels. If the final video shows stutter or popping geometry, reduce level of detail, lower render scale for another pass, or increase export bitrate. These fixes resolve most artifact and playback issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.